for me, you know, I was a government my time. Now even if it's covering about almost cover about 99%, as even 98% of Ghanaians, almost cars, they've all had their cars with issues now go that much. That's all block more. Is I mean who say my block voice side and a text message. Last time I said minister, I know they're blocking people on data, voice, and then text message. In a way, come to cover this, and I'm block campaign. Now all of us will say yes, that is it. But since any them who say, can you quite so? I was a minister and more break a crack. No more or keep on, or more publicity. Now a prompting crowd for. Though Ghana for your Sweden, but also keep on prompting crowd for now. Who say this is what is going to happen. So yeah, but that I say card, you move a card, no money, pan now trying to sim card to be frank with you. Who say any point so.
Well, credit just say me dream one man. Say no fry and Kwa be na kwa soon so na mo fashion na mo de tete you know. Na say mo say why 11 ni nyina ye sim card so na mo de te munya sika ni free ho edu ba bi so mo panish ense na ya munnim ye nye no na fi Ghana ha so Ghana ha ne ye ma mo ye de makodu ba bi eduro mo block ye bi e fra enko we send message enko say no koda enkoda kosi enkosi ye nya dan
medi e man panimfo no ho yaw kakra menka se kakra kra medi o mo yaw pa because as oman mu na yati ha na yebeka say because of we need Ghana card I want to register. Even omo Ghana card crampo no ato me be 3 days ni. Be anajo be 10 o'clock. Me yakọ enko bet obi fra me dia eba. Entime nya possible say me business your friend say simo no na obe block no. Wa bra idea bi ani. MTN fo nya me anim no kura ne na mesa aka bi mu. Sabi omo nim nyansa. Nyansa omo nim nyina ne say. Oman na da honom no your foreigners wo. Enipa dodo say ne betimi anya sa Ghana card no akwa register de atosu mienu sa wudi your friend say aban na ti na okasa wo block sim a me wo block me sim a anya me problem na me kura me sim no kura kada so wo block me mfa ho what has here me mfa ho anya one sim so na me use wo block me ne me use different sim ne me do obi Ghana card so ba register it is a wo MTN ne wo block me sim a wo de block me ni problem what has here by yampanim for omusua nyansa mu nyansa no omunwene omai wei ho atire se omubotom no omubotom here omosene ye what does here omusua nyansa no omunya omubotom no manu osi
obi ono na ne Ghana card ayira enti Ghana card no no de be kwa register enti se no am block ne chip then no de be kwa obi oso no scanner ombeje ne se Ghana card o metu aka ebin me say 4 million for enti no abenya sika no enti so obi o ni sika ni bi na ze so use phone no ebe de no wanya sa sika na ko twa Ghana card
sim card no me hu ni say sim card no mo block ni dia against MTN company no me ma dream no because ebi ade o block ni sim card no better credit ene Osi wa anko register nti wa block no MTN phone e be against omo ba me minima na mo ntu omo so ne government no konti omo so like omo push for say yem block obi ye block na o meto credit ye block na o me momo but I say bet mo si ye block no nti no me de nka me kwa na nka set time na mo extend ne kakra say the be obi abetimi akọ register na yi.
To me, I don't agree with what they are doing, and I should say it's so not fair because the SIM card, they're supposed to extend the time. Because if you should give us like maybe a maximum 1 year, some people they work for hours, like they go to work. So there's no one that can stand up and go and form like huge like queues just to register your SIM card. And if you go to like the office right now, it's not like they'll attend to you. There are a lot of people over there. So when do you expect all these people to register their SIM cards before they can make phone calls? So me, I think they should prolong the time. The time is very short. They should give like 3 years. Because if you should go to other countries, maximum at least by 3 years there, everybody will do it. But people, hawkers and all those people, why would they leave their business? For instance, somebody who is selling pure water, the person cannot leave their business and go and join a long queue all in the name of registering a SIM card. So they should prolong the time.
sa sim card registration no to me who say e pa bagana for emu bi me o ha ye pe last pa enti say wo card ba twam me to me hu say e normal thing say betwam because you bebre tindi card ne fa so di nsemoni bebre bi o betima afro aka tro say wutimi twesi number ke nko hu ba bi ko ni pakroya ti say ba twam a ndiri say e kama pa enti say be ya next time bi ba na be ka say bia nkoye bia be kontema kwa akoye.
Now, yeah, can you but say SIM card na o matwam na so mo block no. What you say be have business na?
Business there me say on share have business bia because say bi or no the different number bi offer na bia brand register na bia transaction bi ekogu sa number ke so a wontimi hu nipa kro number no nkwankwa sika by your register SIM ne dia bo hu nipa kro a o de sa number ke be no wa hu. Nti I think say say betwam a be boa na I'm registered in here. I bet my about my business across here, pa.
Because Ghana card they make PG many amenene shakono. Na sana menene ashano. Danike no kona ba block na kaya. Dana block. She ate she no a block in here na kaya. Na fe na bawa. Motone no po Ghana card share shinje. They mobile wa many boy jene a block amela na mena kwa me card kani be.
What is some blockade SIM?
Oh yeah, Mate. And me cramp on na misro because me SIM cra me register.